Language. 3. Listen to the sentences and pay attention to the regular verbs in the past tense. Tick the correct box depending on the pronunciation of the verb ending ed. Then practice saying them.
1. Yesterday I joined an interesting discussion about cultural identity.
2. She gained useful experience when working in a multicultural environment.
3. The teacher demanded that the student leave the classroom.
4. I watched a very interesting program on TV last night.
5. IBM invented the first smartphone in 1992.
6. The small boy coughed a lot 2 days ago.
7. He hated Sundays when he was a child.
8. I looked for the latest model of tablets in the electronics store this morning.
9. My smartphone operated very well until it was hacked.
10. Lan studied very hard last year.
11. The little boy washed his hands carefully before the meals.
12. I believed in my ability to complete all the challenges.